hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Fling a old chain setter. No link. Hotter. Big up on yourself, my people. Blessings. Don't know say attacking boss there, money. Understand? Boy, my granny, that's say sometimes you have to take bad things, make joke, you know. Boy, I tell the people. So right now, I have a story to tell you now, people. After reading this article, where this female now wrote right into the editor and explaining our current situation that's going to our life, going on right now in our life, people in Jamaica. And me I tell you, so right now, people, boy, in it, to be honest, me have to take some part, make joke, but a serious thing, and not a joke thing. You understand? Serious thing. So let me just tell you now what I go on. Well, this female, people, who says she's 35 years old, right? And say she was someone who living in the USA. She was living in the USA for a good time, living and working and everything. But right now, she they are Jamaica people. And she said before, she was a very nice looking, attractive woman. But right now, her current situation is, people, she dry done, she maga done, she sucked done, and like she left to dead. And she said, people, the reason behind this is not naturally she's sick. Like so she takes sick, like she have the COVID or something, or she has sugar or something. She said, it's a spell a woman put on her. Oh my burn, oh my precious new link. Well, people, this female said, how she come to get this spell is because she was dating this man now, right, over in the USA. And this man at the time did have a wife, but him know say him and his wife they ain't together, meaning they still married, but they ain't together like that. See? So she said at the time she was dating him and they have good times and everything. But she said she figured out something not right. While in the last part of what go on, sometime in this year earlier, something not right. Because she one night in the bed, she in the bed with the man people, and she see the man have sex with himself. In the bed, a perform with himself, and a grown and I make nice. She said, well, go on, something not right, you say, you know. So she said she comes up now one day, she and the man in the car now, because the man have him ride and thing in the States. Yeah, man, in the States have him ride, I mean, push it, you know what I mean? So the man have him ride and say, when them go in the car, people, she smell some meat, like some rotten meat. She said they look all over in the car, people. They can't find the meat, them search all over because they smell a rotten scent. You understand? So she comes up boom now, and after the scent left the car now, the man now have the smell upon him. And she say, comes up boom, from the smell go upon the man, people. The man just take time, drift back around, and go right back to the wife. In the end, people, she said the wife is a Hispanic woman. Spanish then, right? Hispanic woman. And she said now, after that, you know, the man go back, so she finished with the man, then a connection, people. But now, the woman put a spell upon her, because the woman must believe, so now, she a go try to come back in and butt in and take the man. But she has said, when she was with the man and the woman, they never in a relationship, but then they still married. Well, people, she said right now, she got how much ritualists. She got how much spiritual people. She said some of them try them best, but then say after them can't work it out. She said one woman, she attacked to one ritualist woman on the phone, and she said when she attacked the woman, they scream out, die! When she saw the woman picture people, the woman scream out, that's who she? And when the woman said, this woman here is very satanic. You understand? She said enough of them try, they can't help. She said she spent over $3,000 already, people, to try fix herself. You understand? And can't get fixed. She said she try, she beg, she do everything. She link how much ritualist, how much spiritual people. You get me? I say, how much this, how much that. And still, she can't get fixed. But one thing me never hear, she said, people, and I'm going to be truthful, according to when I read the article. Me never hear she said she link one pastor, you understand? Or somebody who could have give her some heavy prayer. And be a spiritual people and this and ritualist. She said she got to try to get the spirit off her people. See? But in the end, say she just want to be free. Because she knows that she not go back to him and try to take back the man. But the woman, like she put the spell on her. And she say, when the man them say this is a spell where woman have really strong. Say I want the strongest one. So everybody a try then can't move it. But in the end, when you link I say people, and me a be truthful. Me feel say some of them man
Claim say them are this and then can take this and take that off her, but then can't do nothing, them are thief. Zin, I feel so enough of them is thief and crook. Them gonna tell her, say, yeah man, we can't move this and move that off for you man, and we can't make everything be free, but deep inside them are crook and them are thief. You know? So in the end now people, she a go through it hard. She a face it tough. She say she want to be free. She say right now she chop and it's like she feel like she a got dead, like she not gonna make it. Cause she say every day she a get maga done, she a suck done, she a dry out. You know what I mean? Like she a lose her mind, everything. And the woman set a curse upon her. So me in that boy, me don't know people. Viewers and subscribers, me feel if you let me tell us say to when me read this article piece, some part me have and say John no, because to the woman I tell you how the dopey them a do our people. Say one time she in her house up. But she not the house people. I want man that she stand up. I look on her and she comes up boom and look back on the man. And the man there move. And so she just comes up boom and tell the man just Jeffrey. Say people, she can't see the spirit them will come on to her. She can't feel them. You understand? But she like she can't stop them. She can't do nothing and she say right now people, she just want to be free. Say she currently living in Jamaica down on the west side. You understand? So down on the west side can be done Mobile side, can be done Westmoreland, done Hanover side. You know, somewhere down on the west she the people. You get me? With this spirit I give her bastard. Me not cost a bad word. Me never cut it a give her rotted people. Okay? Okay. Boy, people, honestly, me I telling them, if anyone out there can find this woman or know this woman, people, tell this woman to find the Almighty. Tell her to go up on her knee and get her Bible and pray to the Almighty, because if she said she try all of the methods of getting the spiritual people to move this dopey and then can't move, oh my burl, oh my precious new link, when they are going to move? Eh? They're not going to move. Try to find the Almighty. Try, if you're not baptized, go and go try get yourself baptized and get yourself saved. And try that next step. Because if you try all of the necessary other steps what you think could have worked and then not work, then your only other resource and only other choice is to choose the Almighty. Get your Bible, fast and pray. You know what I mean? Sometimes, you know, you don't even have to get the pastor, you know, but you, not even if you're not a Christian, but you same one can remove it. You same one anywhere come from, because no matter what demons, if she do have a demon, she try and set it on you. No matter where you have, you're not stronger than the Almighty. And you're not better than the Almighty, because that's Satan. See? And everybody knows, say, the Almighty is first. Everybody knows, say, Father up above is first. You get me? So in the end, people, all we can say, me, I wish her best for her, you know, because she just want to be free. She not going to give the man no trouble. She not look back the man like she want back the man, but the woman maybe just feel say. You know what I mean? Because maybe the woman say Jamaican. I heard about the Jamaican. You know, and the woman may know say the Jamaican can fling you up and put you on good. She at 35, you know, she not holding up people. You get me? And she said she did look nice and look good and attractive. So in the end now, Hispanic woman are fearing it, people. Hispanic, they look good to some of them, but why she a fearing the other man? Because the other one maybe can't put it on so good for the husband. You understand? Oh my world, oh my precious new link. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers are just loving the people and respect and just be safe out there, people, and be good. You understand? And just be careful. You get me? Because in this street right now and these time, people, there's a lot out there and we just have to be strong and be good. So, big up on yourself, and thanks to everyone who watch, everyone who share, everyone who subscribe, everyone who comment. And remember, people, follow me on Instagram, NewLink_Production Official, on Facebook, New Link Production, on Twitter, New Link Production. And people, support the New Link Kids Street for September, people who want some help, want some assistance. Big up on yourself who support already, who give them contribution, people. Please do, because this is going to be your third year, and because even when I got Jamaica, still I keep the kids straight for the youth them. Big up, peace out. Attack them, New Link. We said that. Peace out.